Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about corona medicine and vaccine. Please watch this video till the end.
Scientists around the world are working on potential treatments and vaccines for the new coronavirus disease known as COVID-19. Several companies are working on antiviral drugs, some of which are already in use against other illnesses to treat people who already have COVID-19. Other companies are working on vaccine that could be used as a preventive measure against disease, with confirmed COVID-19 cases worldwide surpassing 9 million and continuing to grow. Scientists are pushing forward with efforts to develop vaccine and treatment to slow the pandemic and lessen the disease damage. Some of the earliest treatments will likely be drugs that are already approved for other conditions or have been tested on other viruses. People are working into whether existing antiviral might work or whether new drugs could be developed to tackle the virus. Dr. Bruce Wiley, a professor at CUNY Graduate School, Health and Health Policy, as of May 8th, two medications trusted source had received emergency use authorization from Food and Drug Administrative. The antiviral remdesivir and a drug used to sedate people on a ventilator. The FDA used an EUA in March for anti-malaria drugs chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine, but later revoked its trusted source after studies showed that they are unlikely to be effective in treating COVID-19. An EUA allows doctors to use these drugs to treat people with COVID-19 even before the medications have gone through the formal FDA approval process. These drugs are still being tested in clinical trials to see whether they are effective against COVID-19. The steps needed to make sure the medications are safe for this particular use and what the proper dosage should be. It could be months before treatment are available that are known to work against COVID-19. It could be even longer for a vaccine, but there are still other tools we can use to reduce the damage done the new coronavirus known as SARS-CoV-2. Even though technological advances allow us to do certain things more quickly, Lee told Healthline, we still have to rely on social distancing, contact tracing, self-isolation, and other measurements. Searching for effective treatments, drug development is sometimes described as a pipeline with compounds moving from early laboratory development to laboratory and animal testing to clinical trials in people. It can take a decade or more for a new compound to go from initial discovery to make people to marketplace. Many compounds never even make it that far. That's why many medications being eyed as a potential treatment for COVID-19 are drugs that already exist. In a review in the British Journal of Pharmacology, scientists from the United Kingdom called wider screening of existing drugs to see if they might work against the new coronavirus. They identified 3 stages of infection at which the virus could be targeted, keeping the virus from entering our cells, preventing it from the replicating inside the cells, and minimizing the damage that the virus does to the organs. Many of the drugs being developed or tested to COVID-19 are antivirals. These would target the virus in people who already have an infection. Lee says antivirals work better if you administer them sooner, before the virus has a chance to multiply significantly, and also before the virus has caused significant damage to the body, such as to the lungs or other tissues. Dr. Robert, Dean of the School of Health Sciences and Practices at New York Medical College and a former Chief Medical Officer at Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Agency for Toxic Substances and Diseases Registry, says both antiviral and vaccines will be valuable tools to combination COVID-19. However, he told Healthline that antivirals are likely to be developed and approved before a vaccine, which typically takes longer. So hence guys, we don't get any vaccine or treatment for coronavirus, so we have to maintain a social distance and wear masks, and maintaining a social distance is the ultimate prevention for coronavirus. So I'm expecting you like this video, and please like my video and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you all, thank you for watching my video, and thanks for your patience. Thank you all, thanks for everything.